स्टैटिस्टिक्स का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। और ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डाटा के बेसिक के बारे में थोड़ी सी जानकारी आज हम लोग प्राप्त करने का प्रयास करें। सो फार एज graphical representation of data is concerned, it is related to a concept that is dimension and axis, we can say. So far as dimension is concerned, firstly we were going through only two dimensions, एक इधर और एक इधर. Then we talked about the three dimension. Theory of relativity talked about four dimension x, y, z and t, and astrodynamics, and later related to the astrodynamics and spherical geometry concept. There are n dimensions, but so far as graphical representation of data is concerned, for the location of a graph or drawing of a graph, we shall consider only two dimensions, which is known as two axes, you can see. Let us see this. So this is origin, this is OX, which is known as x axis, and this is OY, known as y axis, and this OX is known as abscissa, whereas this y axis is known as ordinate. So when we have to draw x axis, it is horizontal and it is abscissa. So abscissa or x axis is along the horizontal line, you can say, and this is vertical. So ordinate is vertical. You can have a point, तीर से भी हम दिखा सकते हैं कि ये x axis है, y axis. दूसरी बात जो इसमें हमको मुख्य रूप से कहनी है कि यदि हम इसको नीचे की तरफ ले जाते हैं, it is opposite to the OY dash, and this is OX dash. This means this part is with negative sign of x axis, and this part is with negative sign of y axis. So origin OX, x axis, OY, y axis, OY dash नीचे, मतलब x axis का जो निगेटिव पॉइंट ड्रा होगा वो बाईं तरफ, और y एक्सिस का जो निगेटिव पॉइंट ड्रा होगा, निगेटिव एस्पेक्ट होगा, वो नीचे की तरफ. अब सबसे पहला जरूरी काम क्या है कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में, कि हम यह समझे कि हमको जितने भी ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा करने हैं वो सब इसी दो एक्सिस के अलोंग करना है. हम थ्री डायमेंशन का या थ्री एक्सिस एक्स वाई जेड एक्सिस को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. सो वी हैव टू रिमेंबर देयर मे बी more than 3, 4 and even n dimensions in the system, but we have to consider only two, and that location along x-axis with positive sign and negative sign, location along y-axis with positive sign and negative sign. So firstly we shall try to understand a point in the coordinate system. Whenever we talk about the point in a coordinate system and suppose we write 3 and 6 anywhere in terms of coordinate system. If we locate a point that is 3 6, it means the first letter is representing the x-axis, whereas the second letter is representing the y-axis. So we will, with negative and positive side, try to locate few points having negative and positive side. So let us take a point on coordinate system, that is 4 5. So we have to locate a point in the coordinate system, that is 4 5. As we have already told just now that this 4 is related to x-axis and this 5 is related to y-axis. So 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So the point, if you extend the line along x and y axis, 4 के सामने और यहाँ 5 के सामने. So this is the location of a point, that is 4 5. Again we can take a point, let us take to understand all the 4 coordinates. You can say -3 and 4, -3 and 4. So you can see first one is -3. Of course it is the representation of x-axis, but there is a negative sign, so we shall not locate it along OX, rather we shall locate it along OX dash. So 1 2 and 3, but this is positive, and positive means y-axis positive means upper part. So 4, we have already done 1 2 3 and 4. So the Milan Bindu of all this x-axis or y-axis is this. So this is a point P which is -3 and 4. We can also take a point in which we are having 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. It means the x-axis is positive with 3, whereas the y-axis is negative with -5. So -5 we have to locate 1 2 3 4 5 and 3. This 4, but this 3 and this 3 is positive, so it is along x-axis 1 2 and 3, this point. And again here 1 2 3 4 and 5 with minus. इसलिए ये जो लोकेशन का पॉइंट हुआ, इसी को हम क्या कहेंगे? दिस इज ए पॉइंट P in coordinate system, that is 3 minus 5. और एक पॉइंट हम ऐसा ले रहे हैं जिसमें x और y दोनों नेगेटिव है. सो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल, that is P -4 and -3. -4 and -3. So let us see. -4, x axis का -4 मतलब इस तरफ 1 2 3 and 4. So this is a point. And the second minus is of course lower part. तो lower part में होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा उसका? -3. 1 2 3 -3. So the point where we get a cut point, that is P -4 and -3. -4 1 2 3 4 माइनस x का लेफ्ट साइड में और y का माइनस डाउनवर्ड. So this is -4 and minus 3. So we have learned the basic of this graphical representation of data. X-axis with negative sign, y-axis and y-axis with negative sign, and location of a point in the coordinate system. So this is the basic of the coordinate system, where there is x-axis, which is also known as abscissa, y-axis, that is known as ordinate, and x-axis, y-axis, and location of a point in any coordinate system by considering both the axes. The first comes the x-axis and the second comes the y-axis. So this is all about the basics of graphical representation. We shall now discuss the further aspect related to graphical representation of data. So thank you.